Hey, what it do, YouTube? So today we've been invited to this little bar hop Cinco de Mayo situation. I don't know what to expect. I ain't never did nothing like this before. So I'm about to take y'all with me and we're gonna see what it's sitting on. Be back, bro. This is our code. I almost knocked that joint over, bro. I hate when you waiting for somebody in the street and they drive slower knowing that you waiting on them. We done upgraded to a cast, bruh. But it's bear with me. It's not easy. I'ma still try to get some good footage for y'all though. I'm already tea and we drinking more. We walking to the next move right now. I'm sorry, did somebody got that shit pulled up on GPS? I'm done up. And we got more coming. Goddamn. Ah. Chest head. Ah. Chest head. Bruh. Cinco de Mayo. You win. You got it. I don't want nothing else to drink, bro.
It's a beautiful state with a bunch of really horrible, judgmental, racist. Should I just keep going? No! If you have to live there, but it's not even a place to visit.
So you said you're on like
Fort Worth is a bunch of old, ugly Christian white men.
Well, y'all have a great time. Be safe. I hope y'all should be good right here. So. Ooh, boy.
I saw that
You cross a step. You see the cross step?
That's drunk footwork.
Hell yeah.
Drunk footwork. Let's rock. Let's go. Back inside.
I'll be eating on it. Show me an
I feel that. This is hot. I mixed these two sauces together. Nothing even hot to me. Gas. No cap. Hey, look. Shrimp and bacon tacos from Don Taco. 9.5 out of 10. No cap.
Brand new shrimp. Bitch, I just got some brand new shrimp.
Okay. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, man. That shit was cool as hell, bruh. Like, real cool, grown type. You know what I'm saying? Cool as hell, bro. No funnies. W. I forgot my shade. I'm thankful, man. All right, we back at the crib. It's like 5:30 in the morning. We left at like 4 p.m. I'm so tired.
Like this, nigga, I just wanna walk you.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Hey, we about to go to this football game real quick with the bros. I forgot what the league is called. Like the XFL, UFL, whatever you call it. It's the team Destroying play on, but he got hurt. Skirt! Do y'all think I'm good right here? I should be good right here. Yes, sir. Okay. Whoa. Okay. That game was cool as hell. I ain't even expect it to be that good. That joint was like that. Bruh, it's hot as hell, bruh. It's not even hot, it's like 68 degrees, but it's humid as hell. Bruh, and I parked like 17 minutes away. Got me sweating, and we gotta go to the next party. Hopefully I don't smell like outside. We about to go to the next move. See what that joint talking about. Stay tuned. Okay. Or you can hear the music already. Let's see what we talking about. First we're live, gum packed in this zone. The line go all the way outside in this zone, bro. This shit wild. Oh my God. Moses. Endless motion in this vlog. Get that money back and spend it on the same thing. Come on, bro. Movie. The jacket has came off. Oh shit. W. Bro, you see the hoodie is off. W time, boy. Look. Let me set y'all up right here in the bathroom. In the bathroom though. W movie. No cap. Look. Hey, bro. There's an after move after this. I'm like, bro, what? After move? Look. I was down doing like this right here.
Huh?
I gotta peep. Hey, look. Sundays usually end early. It's 9:30 right now. Let's see what the next party has in store for the gang. Look, we decided to take the stairs instead of the elevators. Bruh. We was on the 10th floor. We gotta go down to number 1. Oh, wait. I'm not even supposed to be back here. One thing about me, I'm gonna find a secret exit. I'm not even supposed to be back here. We found a regular exit. Bro, look at the let out though, bro. Like, oh my God. Hey, Cinco de Mayo, you got it.
Bitch, you on your own way. Cause this hoe is smiling and this bitch looking so we slide out. I'm checking my mirrors, made it to the house. She say,
all right, bro. We on U Street. And I don't even come to U Street. Cause every time I come to U Street, this shit gets shot up. Every single time, bro. They already ready. Hopefully this time is different.
It's time to let these niggas know where I'm from. Niggas killing no dope. Let's train up and go.
Hey, I know what it is when I get in the bathroom. W, movie, no cap.
Hands up, drinks up, hands up, go. Like Shorty got a big old butt. Oh yeah! Bounce with me. Bounce with me like. Everybody shout. Welcome to DC, everybody.
Practice game for us. I realize practice games. You don't miss me. You should miss the fight.
W,
Like right there.
movie. Bro, I lied to you not. I've been spending the last 26 minutes trying to find a whip, bro. I didn't send myself the location to this spot I'm at. Man, the whole time I'm like, man, God will get me to the whip. I ain't even tripping. Bro, I done walked up and down the zone like 3 times, bro. The whole street. And it's endless. Bro, I'm like, man, did they tow it? Tell you what though, God will make it happen every time, boy. As soon as I thought to my head, I was like, man, maybe they towed it, bro. And how I'm supposed to figure out who towed it or what number to call to get it out or wherever it's at. Man, I clicked the button on my key file one more time, bro, and I hit a beat. God is great, boy, I'm telling you. If you stayed to the end of this video, thank you. I appreciate it. Do me a favor. Subscribe. Hit the like button. Stay tuned for the next one, bro. Until then, appreciate y'all.